Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to properly save and open your Figma files, especially if you want to export them or work on them locally, then you're in exactly the right place. Whether you need a backup, want to share your design with someone offline, or just prefer having files on your own computer, today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to export your work from Figma and then open it again whenever you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident managing your Figma files locally without a hitch. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's look at how to save your Figma file locally. Once you're inside your project, head up to the very top left corner of your screen and look for the main menu logo. It's that rounded F icon which stands for Figma. Don't worry if it takes a moment to spot it. It's easy to overlook if you're used to working only inside your design frames. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu with a bunch of options. Now within that menu, hover over File. You'll see several choices pop out to the side. What you want is Save Local Copy. This option is key. It tells Figma you'd like to save your entire project as a file on your own machine, not just in the cloud. When you select Save Local Copy, Figma will automatically package everything up and download the file for you. Usually this file comes in the form of a Fig extension, which stands for Figma. Depending on your browser and computer settings, you might see the file appear in your Downloads folder or wherever you have files typically saved. If you have a big project, it might take a few seconds to finish downloading, so don't worry if it's not instant. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you now have a local backup of your Figma file, ready for safekeeping or sharing with others. Alright, so let's say some time has passed, or maybe a colleague sent you a Figma file that they exported, and now you want to open it back up in Figma. Here's what you do. Start back at the main Figma menu, the trusty F logo in the top left. This time, after you click it and open the menu, hover over File again, but instead of saving, you're going to select New. You'll get a few options, and here you'll look for Import from Sketch. Even though it says Sketch, don't worry, Figma lets you import other types of files this way too, including your files. Once you click Import from Sketch, your computer will prompt you to browse for the file you want to open. Just navigate to wherever you saved your Fig file earlier, maybe your Downloads folder or your desktop, and select it. Figma will then upload and open your project, restoring all your frames, layers, and design elements just as they were when you exported them. It might take a minute, especially for big projects, but once it's open, you're good to go. This is perfect if you're moving work between computers, collaborating with someone by exchanging files, or just bringing an old backup back to life. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to export your Figma files and open them again locally. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.